In this video, I will show you how to make fresh, homemade butter out of double cream. You will be left with delicious, creamy butter, and with about half a cup of buttermilk. We will use half a liter of double cream and a handheld mixer with whisks. Pour the double cream into a jug. Whisk the cream on low settings. It usually takes about 3 minutes for the cream to turn into butter. After a while, the cream will start to thicken. Just keep whisking the cream. The cream is getting thicker now, but is still very soft. Whisk the cream a bit more. You will soon start to see small chunks of butter and liquid. The liquid is buttermilk. Keep whisking until the butter and buttermilk are separated. Use a sieve or a cheesecloth to drain the buttermilk. Scrape the butter of the whisks using a knife or a spatula. Drain the buttermilk and pour it into a cup. You could drink the buttermilk or use it for cooking. Buttermilk is great for making pancakes and crumpets. Try to squeeze all the remaining buttermilk out of the butter. Fill a large pot with cold water and dip the butter in it, squeezing out small droplets of buttermilk. The water will have a milky look. Discard the water and fill the pot with fresh, cold water again. Squeeze the butter a few more times. Refill the water once more. You will notice that the water is nearly clear now, and does not look milky. Form the butter into any shape you want. Before you place it in a fridge, you could work a little bit of salt into the butter. Or, you can keep the butter unsalted. Now all is left to do is enjoy your homemade butter and homemade buttermilk.